voice out here anymore, except the neighbors singing opera next door. And I'm in the closet reading books. You know, I never could quite find another soul I understood. And the band began to play at Go the APA. And I know that I have heard that song somewhere before, in the markets and the streets, and all the people that you greet. And every day around this little town's the same to me, yeah. And now they're telling stories about the war, about the time they took out Normandy in 1944. I've heard so many stories about the war that it's hard to differentiate a good one anymore. And my name is on the wall of every schoolhouse I recall, and every street light in this town has got my name somewhere. From the churches to the jails, each and all I've had me there, and all I need to know is where to go from here. Well, I don't really mind, I hear it all the time back in my little town. And she knows what you know, and everything that I can show is in my little town. Hey, now, well, I'll sing about my love now, if you don't mind my speaking out again. Oh, that pretty picture, and she tells me what she's thinking now and then. And my name is on the wall of every schoolhouse I recall, and every street light in this town has got my name somewhere. From the churches to the jails, each you thought I had me there, but all I need to know is where to go from here. But I don't really mind, I hear it all the time back in my little town. And she knows what you know,